Dear learners, in this video we discuss how to do the state management using session inside the ASP.NET. So first we just discuss what is meant by session. So session is nothing but it is a time period in which whatever the activity that can be performed by the user that can be recorded. So whenever session start and whenever session ends, it can be recorded in whatever the activity that can be performed in the particular time. So this particular session management is used inside the net banking facility. So it is very much useful whenever you log in inside the net banking, and after some time if you are not doing any activity, then it automatically log out from the session by just displaying the message that session get expired. So this is the benefit of the session management inside the particular net banking. So here in ASP.NET, session is a state that is used to store the value or to retrieve the value for the specific user. So in ASP.NET, the session state is by default enabled to all the applications. So each session is created and stored in the session state atom collection object. So we can get the session value by using the session property of the page object. So let's see the one example. So inside the .aspx file, we have to just create the two text box, one button and two labels. So here we also write the one particular event, that is on click. So inside the .aspx.cs, we have to just write the code. So first, that is here, first step, that is we have to store the value into the session. So here, if password.text is equal to whatever the text we just specified, then we can store whatever the email ID which is entered by the user inside the email text field that can be get by using email.text, and we can store this particular value into the session email. So email is a name of the session, and inside that we can store the email value inside the email. Again, we can check whether the particular value is stored or not by using the session email is not equal to null. So if it is null, it doesn't display any value. If it is not null, then we can display the text that this is the stored, this email is stored to the session and it just display whatever the value which is stored inside the email by using the session email dot toString function. So we just store that, but we just extract that value from the session and we just display that value to the label 4. So this is the first way, that is to store the value into the session, and this is the second way to extract the value from the session. So in this way we can capture the values from the user text field and we can store it into the session, and from another program or from the same program we can extract the values by using the second syntax. So in this way we can handle the state management by using the session inside the ASP.NET. Thank you.